It's Mapua against Love, RNCAA. By Basketballista. And we'd like to thank our sponsors. It's Color Sports, The Inkers, Abu Dhabi, and Basketballista. And the official referee for today is referee Apatan and referee Manuel.
May crush ako sa kama po. Si number 15. Thank you.
Tubig ko natin.
Ha? Tubig? Lagi kang alam mo extra ko lagi.
It's Mapua against Love, our second game for NCAA Season 4 by Basketballista. First 5 on Mapua. First 5 on Love. And still we're live on the Facebook page of Basketballista. First position. Love. Defense on Mapua. Lalaika. Nice bait. Back to Lalaika. Too strong. Love rebound. Short. Nice pass. Now it's 3-2. Kako drive. Kako low. Too deep. Rebound on Lalaika. Now it's 3-4. Pass. Steal. Nice steal on Camus. Our second game. Second match. It's Mapua versus Love. Inbounding Biner. 14 to shoot. Lalaika. Biner. Whoa! 2-0. It's 2-point shot coming from Biner. Camus. Looking for Minorias. Back to Camus. Camus. Still again on Biner. It's 3-2. Pass split point in the short. Rebound by Minorias. Kaku. Libres. 14 to shoot. Block. Now Biner. It's 2-2. Now Love. Lalaika. Turnover again on Love. 8 minutes and 15. It's only 2-0. Camus. Looking for still again on Lalaika. Lalaika drive, Lalaika coast to coast, drive, Lalaika foul on Minorias. 2 free throw shots to Lalaika. First on Minorias. First team foul on Mapua. It's again 2 against 0. Now 3-0. All 3 against Love. Now Camus. Candidate Biner. Kaku. Looking for Libres. Libres too strong. It's again turnover on Mapua. Lalaika. 14 to shoot. Lalaika. 10. Lalaika. 3-second violation against Love. Now 7 minutes. This is our second game for our NCAA by basketballista. Camus, fake shot, short. Now, rebound again by Love. Now it's 3-on-2. 3-on-2 drive, coast to coast, bang! Foul again on Minorias. Second on Minorias. Second team foul on Mapua. It's 3-0. Kaku. Now Minorias. Nice defense on Love. 6 minutes and 42 seconds. 17 seconds to shoot. Minorias looking for Camus. Fake. Camus. Again, dribble by Kaku. Pow! Foul on number 25 on Serviner. First on Serviner. First team foul on Love. 6 minutes and 23. Minorias. Now Serviner top. Libres on alone. Libres. 3-2. 1 point lead on Love. Now Laika. Serviner. Fake. Serviner drive back. Again Serviner. Oh! 5-2. It's 3-point lead now on Love. Camus. Short. Top. Timeout on Mapua. This timeout is brought to you by the Inkers Abu Dhabi, Basketballista, Coral Sports, and Magnolia Sariwa Manok. It's 5 minutes and 36 seconds. Now Laika. Top. Rebound. Libres. Looking for Minorias. Camus. Kaku. Again. In and out by Kaku. Sarmiento. Oh! Still on Love. Now, Serviner, back to Pasqua. Pasqua, bang! Now, 7-2. 5-point lead on Love. Minorias to Libres. Back to Minorias. Kaku, short. Sarmiento. Rebound ng Lalayka. Abundala, nice defense ng Minorias. Sarmiento, fake. Back to Sarmiento. Again, in and out. Pascual. Pascual. Serviner, it's 3-on-2. Back to Serviner. Still. Sarmiento. Camus. Camus moves. Shot again. Foul. Foul on Sarmiento. Timeout. On Love. This timeout is brought to you by Chicks to Go. It's 7-2. 5-point lead on Love. It's 4 minutes and 4 seconds.
Sino sa loob niya? Sa loob.
Pasko, Sarmiento.
Loob, si Loob, hindi.
Now, Lalayka. Fourteen to shoot. Serpiner. 10. Pasqua. Too strong. Rebound. On Kaku. Now, Minorias flag. Guard by Laika. Foul.
22.
Foul on Lalayka. Second team foul on the first on Lalayka. It's 3 minutes and 36 seconds. Still 5-point lead on Loob. 7 against 2. Now 7-3, 4-point in the Loob. It's 3 minutes and 30. Lalayka. Fourteen to shoot. 10. Pasqua. Lalayka. Miscommunication again by Loob. It's 3 minutes. Now Minorias. Camus. Again. In and out by Camus. Pasqua. Pasqua now. 1-1. Stop. Looking for waiting for his teammates. Biner. Lalayka. 14 to shoot. Now Biner. Side step. Biner. Foul. Foul on number 17. Or Sarmiento. 13 foul on Mapua. First on Sarmiento. Shot coming by Biner. It's 8-3. 5-point lead on Loob. Now it's 6-point lead on Loob. It's 9 against 3. Now Kaku. Minorias. Sarmiento. Drive. Escape. Foul again on Serpiner. Second personal foul against Serpiner. Third team foul on Loob.
Pahinga na taas.
2 minutes and 22 seconds.
Ang hina. Kaku.
Kaku.
Ayan.
Short. Biner. Now Pasqua. 1-1. Drive. Again. Top. Pasqua again. Short. Top. It's Mapua. Now Camus. 2 minutes. Yes. On Camus. 9-5. Back to 4-point lead on Loob. Now Lalayka. Pasqua. 14 to shoot. Pasqua again. Wow! Pasqua. 11-5. Now to 6-point lead on Loob. It's 1 minute and 30 seconds. Camus. Drive. Save start. Too strong. Rebound by Kaku. Yes, on Kaku. 11-7. Back to 4-point lead on Loob. 1 minute and 10. 14 seconds. Shoot. Still again on Camus. It's 4-2. Pass to Minorias. Kaku again. Pass to Minorias. Foul! Foul on number 32 on Lalaika. Warning for penalty and long.
Wala nga.
Lalay ka second.
51 seconds, 51. It's the ball violation. It's warning on Mapua number 3 on Kaku for delay the game.
Superstar Kaku.
51 seconds. Forty seconds. 14 to shoot. Nice defense again ng Mapua. 38 seconds. Camos. Too strong. Pascua. 30 seconds.
30 segundos pa.
Still by Libres.
Camus.
40 seconds shot clock. 10 to shoot.
Minorians.
Libres.
Wala pa din.
10 seconds.
Sige na, sige na.
Ordenyo.
Sige na, kaya. Oy, tabi mo. Klaro kayo.
4 seconds. 4 seconds.
Hindi, Pasko.
Ordenyo.
Hindi, Pasko.
Parang ko 16. 16 Pasko.
And now for first quarter. Our 11-7 all out.
Sabi mo kasi 16.
Live to.
In second quarter, Mapua ball, Mapua.
Yung sulot.
5.
Look mo na, look.
Log nga, ito nga log nga.
Check. 8. Ano 8?
JD.
Dapat nga.
Too strong by Cartagena. Foul on 0-0 on Mapua.
Meron yan dati. Ba't wala?
12-7.
Sino ba ito? Number 8. Sino ba? Good.
Short. Rebound on Archangel.
16.
16. Yan yung Pasko.
17.
17. But
Bang! Bang, bang, bang! On Cartagena.
Ha?
10, 11.
11. Tingnan mo.
11 yung
Take ball. Balik! Yun naman love. Kasat ka naman. May score dito. Anong tayo?
13-10. It's 3-point in along.
Kaya nga.
Tayo wag nga dyan dito. Takbuhan! Ito tumingin dyan.
Namala Diyos.
Kaya naman nandyan dito na wala dyan.
It's same ball. 14 shot clock. 14.
Kahit mali ka, sinusunod ng mali ka.
Cartagena again. Too strong. Foul. Foul again on 0-0 on Mapua. Second on Mapua.
Archangel.
Nice play.
Yan si Malyari, number 8. Mali yan, number 8.
Short.
Hindi yan malyari. May bola ko.
Mo. Short. Now, Malayos. Too strong.
Diretso na! Kaya!
Ba't malyari ang mahaba-haba? Dalawang beses ko yun.
Nice fake. Fake. Wow. Paolo number 15 on Mapua. Cartagena. Third on Mapua.
Ano ba pipin ko? Dito. Walang listahan.
Ito, Cardonian.
Yung dito, number 8. Number 8.
Number 8. Ah,
Ha? Yan.
no. Balyari.
Hindi nga malyari yan, oh. Malyari yan.
15 to 10.
Paano malyari ang mababa pa?
Top. Cartagena. It's short. It's low ball.
Baba na, Son! Baba na!
Nice move. Bang again. Steal on Cartagena.
Borja.
Yan yung trabaho mo si Paul Makuha.
Depensa!
Malayos. Again, in and out.
Son! Tanggap na, Son! G!
Mukhala, ano, butay.
Oh, Borja. 17-10.
Alagi din.
Hindi magulat hindi magika.
Ba't mali hindi ko lang naisulat?
Dati meron lang na siyenta.
Short!
Short.
Takbo!
In and out. Rebound ng Malayos.
Nawawala ako dito nung nawawala ko yung mali-mali pangalan sinasabi.
Now Malayos. 40 sa clock. Cartagena. Rebound again on low. Baseball pass. Yes, time out. On Mapua, it's 90 to 10. 9-point lead on low. It's 6 minutes and 11 seconds.
Wala tayo. Yung number 47.
47. Canalola.
Ha?
Canalola.
Now, Malayos. Aribay Canalola. JD. Short.
Baba na!
Castillo. Again, Canalola all the way. All Canalola. 21 to 10. It's 11-point lead alone. Cartagena.
Aras na!
Aribay Canalola.
Nice!
Pow.
Son!
Foul on Bora. First on Bora. First team foul on Love. It's 5 minutes and 33 seconds. 11-point lead on Love. Cartagena. Looking for Malayos. Now Malayos.
Arasin na!
14 to shoot.
Pumulagyan ka, Son!
Cartagena.
Sa'yo, Marluwig. Okay. Box out!
Short.
Oops.
JD.
Yung silo-silo yung banaan lang ito.
Archangel.
Nice shot. By Cartagena.
Silo-silo, hindi 0-5. Ano na 0-5 yung Angel.
Patay mo.
Mapua 0-0.
40 to shoot. Pasco. Archangel.
Matagal niya yung bago.
Nice!
Time out. Oh, Love. It's 21 to 13. 7.8 point lead on Love.
Matibag.
0-0. Sa mapwa yan.
Oo.
Alam mo naman pala eh, bakit?
So, binasa ko ngayon. Kaya pa sa'yo kasi sa akin yun. Palit tayo ako dyan, dito pa.
Four minutes and 38 seconds.
Iba-iba rin naman ang jersey niyan. Eh, minsan gabyo.
Hindi. Saka pati magagamit sila ng iba.
Kalalola. Bora. Rebound on Matibag. It's 4 minutes and 23 seconds. Malajos. 40 to shoot. Archangel. Too strong. Now Bora. Bora drive. 1-1. Pass to Kalalola. Pick. Kalalola. Dari may Cartagena. Pick. Cartagena. Malalola. Too strong. Tap. Malajos. It's Mapua ball. Mapua. 3 minutes and 50 seconds. Still by Bora. Kalalola all the way. Yes. 23 to 13. It's 10-point lead. All along. Foul.
Son, foul mo son ha.
Foul on Bora.
First, Borja.
First on Bora. Second on Long. Three minutes and 28 seconds. Cartagena. JD. Too strong. Yes, on Archangel. It's 15-23. 8-point lead. Oh no. Bora. Air ball. Archangel. Now Archangel drive. Archangel looking for JD. JD stop up. JD short. Bora. Still by Malajos. Malajos. JD or Archangel. Black by Castillo. Nice defense. It's 1-1. Pascua. 1-1. Pascua got foul. Foul on number 15 on Cartagena. Second on Cartagena. Warning for penalty on Mapua.
Ano pa dito? Tayo pa dyan. Pero may puto. Yung binibilang dito importante.
Now 24-15.
Ngayon, medyo malupit kasi dating RTX Madrid nag-sam. Tapos ganyan niya lang alam.
2 minutes and 30 seconds. Foul. Offensive foul against number 15 on Cartagena. Now Mapua 5 fouls on Mapua.
Cartagena third.
Third on Cartagena. Short. Whoa, Pascua. It's Mapua ball. 2 minutes and 12 seconds.
Tingnan tayo.
1 minute and 58 seconds. Now Cartagena, pay. Matibag, too strong. Is the ball 1 minute and 43 seconds. 24 to 15. Kalalola. Bora. Iba ng Cartagena. JD. It's 1 minute and 30 seconds.
Sir. Bawal yun, bawal. Sir.
Black. Wala Diyos. Matibag. JD. Now, Archangel. Canalola again. Canalola drive. Side step. Canalola foul. On 38. Kaya direct. Malajos. Second on Malajos. Now 25-15, back to 10-point lead on Love. 57 seconds. Archangel, JD, Short, Malajos, Black, Vaibora. 45 seconds. Pasko, ah. In and out. It's 33 seconds, 33.
23 seconds. 23 seconds.
Wow! 26 seconds, 26. Seconds. Yes, on Archangel. 10 seconds. 5. Borja. Cup. And now for second quarter, the score is 25-17. All below.
Bawas tayo, bawas. Sir Majos, bawas. Bawas tayo, bawas. Sino magbibigay? Bawas tayo. Sabi hindi.
Boss, magbibigay yun eh.
Okay.
Magbibigay. Hawakan muna. Magbibigay pesa.
Okay na, sinunod.
It's Mapua, Mapua. Change court na. Mapua ball, Mapua. Change court. Defense on low. Change court. Defense on low.
Guys, good luck. Kayo makalo.
Our score is 25-17. 8-point lead on low. Foul. Foul on number 21 on love. First team foul on love. First on the county.
Fabiana.
Ito din ang dalawa sa
21 Milyara, 17.
Hiwalay!
Ginto.
Whoa! Turnover again on love. It's back-to-back turnover. On love. It's 9 minutes and 20. Fabiana. Too strong. Rebound of Big Daddy. Fabiana again. Fabiana. Drive, side step, looking for Big Daddy. Big Daddy, bang! On Big Daddy. 25-19. It's 6-point lead on low. Still again on Fabiana. Turnover again on Mapua. It's 8 minutes and 46 seconds.
Baby, calm down.
25 against 19.
21 Milyara. At low, 21 Agcauli.
55.
55 De Silva.
14 to shoot. Di Selva. Hinto. 10. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! 28 to 19. Back to 9-point lead. Oh no! Fabiana. Nice play. Still my love. It's only 1-1. Nice defense of Fabiana. It's 7 minutes and 53 seconds. Hinto. Too strong. Kaku. Now Kaku goes to coast. Kaku pass outside. Pick. Drive. Kaku again. Air ball. Rebound on De Silva. De Silva, right. De Silva. You know. Kaku. Now Kaku. Still again on number 21. Now Hinto. Kalba at Big Daddy. De Silva, yes, on De Silva. 30-19. Back to 11-point in a low. Fabiana. Drive, pow. Foul on number, time out on Mapua. Second team foul on love. First personal foul on De Silva. 6 minutes and 45 seconds. This timeout is brought to you by Color Sports, Basketballista, and Chooks to Go.
Delgado. Del Guapo.
Ano ko na ganin? Ano sinabi mo?
Del...
Sino?
Big Daddy. Pow. Foul on number 21 on Miliada. First to Miliada. Third on low. First on Agcauli. Rebound alone.
Oy, Pepe mo!
Hinto.
Kaya nga man dyan may listahan.
De Silva.
Yes, on De Silva.
Kilala ko na wag na ito yung iba. Kung tinatanong ko yung isukutin.
Now 32-19. De Silva.
Laran, habang may pa.
Short. Pabiana. Nice move kay Pabiana. 21 against 32. It's only 11-point lead all long. Now, Hinto.
Hiwalay.
Back to Hinto. Stay, time to shoot. De Silva. It's struggling violation on De Silva. 5 minutes and 26 seconds. Pabiana to Bigdali to stop by Bigdali. Oh, di ba ba naman Bigdali? Now Hinto, De Silva. Still by Pabiana, foul. Foul on number 21 on Love. Second personal foul on Agkauli. Warning on Love. 5 minutes.
Isa. Count na.
Now Pabiana drive. Pabiana goes to goal. On Pabiana. Now 9-point lead on Love. It's 32 to 23. Alcaule. Now Hinto. Now he's still again on Pabiana. It's Mapua Wall. Time out. Oh, Love. It's 4 minutes and 25 seconds.
Niyada ko na understand mo? Niyada. Bigay ko nga sa dito, picturean ko lang ng score para buko sa bahay. Ganun sila. Ha? Picturean ko lang ng score. Ang dali mo na para may fun ka. Sabihin ko sino ang laro.
Susulat ko ba sa bahay? There you go.
Isa dito. Ako yan.
Pwede naman dito.
40 to shoot. Pabiana. Short. Hinto. Hinto drive. Hinto stop. Pull out jumper. Too strong. Rebound on Pabiana. Big Daddy. Black. Mahito. Now goal Still on Pabiana. Pabiana to Archangel. Drive Archangel. Bam! Foul on number 6 on Hinto. Penalty. First on Hinto. It's 3 minutes and 39 seconds. 24 to 32. 8-point lead alone.
Relax. Nice one.
Now 25 against 32. It's 7-point lead alone. Hinto. Skate. Oh! Hinto. 34-25. It's 9-point lead alone. Short. Foul. Foul on number 9. It's 34-25. Penalty rep. 2 free throw shot on Malande. Three minutes for our last score, third quarter.
Nice.
Now 26 against the 34. Back to 8-point lead on Love. It's 2 minutes and 55 seconds. 14 to shoot.
Nice one.
Hinto. It's 7 to shoot.
Andy, 7 seconds ha. Nangyari kay ano? Kay Anthony.
7 to shoot. 7 to shoot.
Anthony, pick mo si ano?
Technical foul on number 17. Borderline again. Technical free throw shot. Or long. It's still 2 minutes and 40 seconds. 26 against the 34. Ten to shoot. Top rebound on Mapua. It's Mapua ball. Mapua, 2 minutes and 38 seconds. 34 against the 26. 8-point lead. All low. Pabiana. Drives. Stay. Pabiana foul. Foul on number 18. All low. Now lob and penalty.
No, relax lang daw.
2 minutes 11 seconds.
Nice.
27 to 34. Now 7-point in the lob. It's 2 minutes and 10. This is our third quarter. Second game for NCAA. It's Lob versus Mapua. Foul on Pabiana. First on Pabiana. First team foul against Mapua. Two free throw shot to De Silva. 35 to 27.
Fabian, you can get the rebound as well. And down. Get the rebound as well. Balik na, balik na!
Now Pabiana, guarded by De Silva. Pabiana drive, Pabiana again, Pabiana. Yes, on Pabiana. Now 29 to 35 in 6-point lead on Lob. 1 minute and 39 seconds.
Nice one. Nice one.
Again. Rebound on Pabiana. It's Pabiana ball. Pabiana coast to coast drive. Pabiana side step. Pabiana. Foul. Foul on Agoli. Penalty. Delgado. Foul on Delgado.
Kailan?
First on Delgado. 1 minute and 21 seconds. 35 against 29. Now 30 against 35. De Silva. Kick ball. 1 minute and 11 seconds. Pabiana. Turnover on Mapua. It's 1 minute and 2 seconds. Third quarter.
Sure ball, mga kapatid. Paring Arte.
50 seconds. Bam! 37, 30. Back to 7-point in the lob. 40 seconds. 35 seconds. Short. Now, Archangel, shoot! It's technical foul on number 25 for the skirting. Second personal foul on Delgado. 26 seconds, 26. 14 the set shot clock, 14. Fabiana. 10. Rebound on Bigari. Whoa! Bigari, 10 seconds. 5 seconds. And now for third quarter, our score, it's 37 against the 32. All by love. Fourth quarter ready, fourth quarter.
Dadagdagan daw mamaya. 15.
It's Lobalong. Last quarter. Defense on Mapua. Defense on Mapua. Warning hello for the late game. Bounding ka na lola.
Balik mo! Balik! Pwede ka kumabola!
Biner. Steve Libres. Kaku. Now pass. Darmento. Too strong. Rebound on Biner. Now Castillo. Canalola. Back to Biner. Biner. 40 to shoot. Bang! On Biner. 39-32. It's 7-point lead all long. Short. Sarmento. Block by Biner. O Castillo. Panluan ang Canalola. Alibres. Castillo. Bang! On Sarmento. Foul on Castillo. First team foul on Love. First on Castillo. 34 to 41. It's 7-point lead. On Love.
Kana lola kanya. Kanya lola.
Yes, on Sarmento. 45 to 35. It's 6-point lead now. Love. Canyola.
10 Bundali. 10 Bundali.
14 to shoot. Canyola.
Tira na yun!
Top. Libres. To Camos. Kaku. Drive. Kaku. Yes, on Kaku. 37-41. Now 4-point lead along. Canyola. To Biner. Foul on Sarmento. First team foul na po sa Pindusunab Sarmento.
Sarmiento second.
Second on Sarmento. First on Mapua.
Gilas, gilas.
7 minutes and 59 seconds. Now 42 to 37, back to 5-point lead. On too strong on Mapua. Nice steal by Kaku. Camus. Camus. Foul. Foul on number 80 on Lob. Second team foul on Lob. First on De La Cruz. It's 7 minutes and 30 seconds. Libres. Kaku rebound. Kaku. Yes, on Kaku. 42 to 39. 3-point lead now on Lob. Biner. Kandi by Libres. Nice pass. La Cruz. 5 to shoot. Is 3 seconds. Substitution rep. Sub rep. Sub rep. Sub. $43 to 30.
Score mo?
41 for 39.
Ha?
41 to 43.
Diyan masih pumili ako.
2-point lead down low.
Son, gawat Son!
Out. Last touch. Oh, look. It's 6 minutes and 15.
Tabang ba tayo ha? Pumunta ka si...
Kaku. Camus. Archangel. Steal by Bora. Bora. Bora drive. Bora foul. Foul on Pabiana. Second on Pabiana. Second team foul against Mapua. Wanting to shoot. Canyola. Whoa! Canyola. Now 46 to 41. Back to 5-point in the low. Short. Foul. Foul on Kaku. Sandi na sa left. Third on Mapua. Sub rep sub. First personal foul against Kaku.
Son, taas mo pa Son.
Bora. Biner. Guarded by Archangel.
Labas, balik, labas!
Last stats on Love. It's 5 minutes. It's 46 against the 41. Kaku. Archangel. Short. Di pa nagay by Archangel. Kaku. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! On! Only two shot for Kaku. 43-46. 3-point lead now, low. Biner. Bang! 48 to 43. Back to 5-point lead. Oh, low. Pabiana. Foul. Foul on Canyola. 47. Second team foul. Third team foul on Lob. Second on Canyola. Pabiana. Rebound. Foul. Foul on number 17 on Libres. Warning for penalty on Mapua. Second on Libres.
Wala pa, saan nito, gawas sa...
Biner. Whoa! Biner! 50-43. 7-point tinulong. Kaku. Libres. In and out. Kaku again. Air ball. Castillo to Canyola. Time out on Mapua. It's 52-43. 9-point lead on Mapua. Full game left.
Pwede na unom. Ha. Ira. Iko na.
It's white ball. It's 3 minutes. Against the 43.
3 minutes, Sham. 3 minutes, Sham. Hingi ng bola.
And to shoot.
Ira. Ay, Darwin.
Short.
Balik. Bigay.
It's 2 minutes and 37 seconds.
Gigi.
2 minutes and 30.
Tanggap, Son.
Bang! 54-43 now, 11-point lead alone. Foul on Bora. Warning for penalty and long. Second on Bora.
Makakita, naunusa.
Now 44-54, 10-point in the love. It's 2 minutes. It's 2 minutes is brought to you by Color Sports, Basketballista, and Chooks to Go, Magnolia. Short, tap, ow. Nice defense, Cemento. It's the ball.
Sa inyo po?
Dalawa pa.
Opo, dalawa.
Patay mo dyan.
Tama ka?
It's 1 minute and 49 seconds. Time to shoot.
Son.
Organ. Lalay ka.
Leon Castillo.
Sige, sila.
Time out. Oh no, it's 54-44. 10-point lead on love. It's 1 minute and 28 seconds on our last quarter.
Tao-tao nyo na. Bilang.
1 minute and 28 seconds. Now 45-54.
Tikit daw. Ball.
Bora. Kanyang yun, ha? 14 to shoot.
Ikot. Nice, nice, nice. Sige lang, sige lang, sige lang.
9 to shoot. 9 seconds to shoot.
Pre, 9 seconds pa, 9 seconds pa. Screen, 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 screen!
Whoa! Canyola! 56 to 45. 1 minute. Yes, on Archangel. 45 seconds. Foul on Kaku. Penalty ref, penalty. Now 9 point in the loob. 37 seconds. Whoa! 58 against the 47. 25 seconds. Ten. And up again, winner, Low, it's 60.